Holden Extraordinary Vehicles commenced 30 years back with the assistance of Tom Walkinshaw and a constrained version, 241 strength 1988 VL Commodore gathering SS. Look at it. On December 29, yet simply praised for the current week, HSV handed the last page over the Book of Commodore with the restricted release, 635 horsepower VF2 Commodore-based GTS R W1. The LS9 engine, like my fire orange car, was the 90,114th and last vehicle delivered in HSV's Clayton, Melbourne office, and fittingly speaks to the quickest, most capable, most costly auto at any point worked in the nation. Number 275 of 275 will join the organization's legacy armada close by the principal W1 delivered, HSV constructed 298 GTS R W1s, 275 for Australia, 20 for New Zealand, and 3 last building models. Turning out the lights on HSV's present plan of action brings the definitive end of neighborhood producing in Australia, following manufacturing plant terminations at Toyota, Passage, and Holden. That GTS R W1 likewise speaks to the finish of General Engine Zeta worldwide RWD stage. Presently HSV turns its hooning eyes to a portion of the vehicles Holden wants to import, the principal case being the Holden Colorado SportsCat by HSV uncovered 2 or 3 weeks prior. The in-house tuner leaves its office for a bigger area in Clayton where HSV will change over the imported Chevrolet Camaro and Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD to right-hand drive. HSV has no plans to light any fire under the coming front-end all-wheel drive Opel emblem-based Commodore.